My opinion is this is gonna be the shortest VHS opening. What are you saying, Shadow? Well, I'm saying, according to the YouTube videos, it says that Bear in the Big Blue House, Early to Bed, Early to Rise is one of the most highest viewed Bear in the Big Blue House VHSs. So, I guess you're wrong by an inch. By an inch? How was I wrong by an inch? I have no idea. Why don't you ask yourself? Whatever, just get the intro over with. Wait, what episode is this? I think this is episode 6. Okay. Welcome to episode 6 of VHS Reaction. Last episode, we took your request on requesting a Dragon Tales VHS. Thank you, Jaden Lynch, too. And today, we're going to be reacting to the not highest viewed Bear in the Big Blue House VHS opening. But because the cameraman was wrong. Again! Why am I wrong? Enough. Potty time with Bear. I can't believe it. This is gonna be the shortest VHS opening ever. Because, you know why? Why? It's the shortest. It has only one preview. We'll find out. So, here we go. Alright, let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let's get ready to rumble! Uh-oh. Oh, it's the same old thing over and over again. Uh-oh. We got trouble. What? What do you mean we got trouble? Everybody's out in theaters already. Why do we keep saying that so much? Uh-oh. This is a scary film. This is either Drowning Mana or Cowboy Bebop. You know Cowboy Bebop?
Yes I do.
Wait. How old are you, Tinky Winky?
About 10.
10. You're too old. You're too young to watch Cowboy Bebop. Only Sonic and I are old enough to watch Cowboy Bebop, right, Sonic? Yeah. And so is the cameraman. Yeah, thanks, everybody.
Destination Films presents Alec Baldwin.
Oh, that's the guy that starred in The Hunt for Red October. I don't know where he started.
Mara Wilson.
That's the girl that starred in Matilda, right?
And Thomas.
What? Thomas?
Little engines can do big things.
I can't believe Thomas made a movie. Are you kidding me?
Gonna change around here. Puffball.
Yeah, get him, Diesel 10. Get him. Get him. He's the Mad Bomber.
Magic Railroad.
The Magic Railroad. Oh, this is it.
Rolling into theaters everywhere, July 2000.
That's 16 years past. Let's let us look back 16 years ago. To when this was taken over. Oh, it wasn't.
Every day.
Hey, Tails, I dare you to survive this theme song. Shadow, you survive it. Oh, I don't really like this. Yeah. Oh my god. The puppets. They're like the Muppets, but they're in a preschool way. It should be Muppets for grown-ups, not little kids. Goddamn Luna! Ugh. What's wrong with Luna? I don't know. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. No. 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 Must stop tape. No, what the heck? What are you doing? Must stop tape. Must stop tape. Must stop. Okay, let's unhook the camera from the tripod. See what the hell is going on. Stupid little house. Yeah. Do you realize how much that cost? Oh, crap. I might have broken it. Let's see. Nope, it's fine. Okay. I had enough. Take your stupid tape and leave. I'm out of here. Okay, let's put the camera back to the front. There we are. There we go. That was some crazy nonsense. Well, that was some crazy nonsense I ever seen in my life. I didn't know what was gonna make him angry. Well, next episode we're gonna be reacting to some sort of Paramount tape. Maybe, I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching episode 6 of VHS Reaction with a so scary, surprising ending of Shadow throwing the tape. I guess Shadow won't be reacting to some Bear in the Big Blue House VHSs anymore. So, I don't know. Maybe we'll react to some. Well, this is Sonic saying, peace out, and see you next time on episode 7 of VHS Reaction.